through new life sublime.
Oh, I love it. Hello, this is your musician friend, AK, coming at you with the songs that you love to hear and play. Today's song is Saved by His Power Divine, and that's in the key of F sharp. Really beautiful hymn. This was requested by Kevin Dockery. Thank you so much, Kevin, for giving us this awesome song to work on today. And to my Numerical Melodies family, if there's a tune you want to hear, drop it in the comments and I will bring it to life. All right, we're in the key of G flat. Let's get it. That's G flat, A flat, B flat, B, B flat, E flat, F, and G flat. Of course, this is Numerical Melodies. We have to run through that with our numbers. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 1. Guys, we're going to do like we always do. Let's go ahead and crack our knuckles. Let's stretch them out. All right, let's get it. Saved by His power divine.
And there's a song that says, I'm saved by His power divine. I'm saved through new life sublime. And life now is sweet, and my joy is complete, for I'm saved. Come on, everybody, say, I'm saved by His power divine. Through new life sublime. Say, life now is, and my joy is complete. Yes, I'm saved. Come on, let's sing that one more time. Everybody say, I'm saved by His power divine. I'm saved through new life sublime. And life now is sweet, and my joy. Come on and say, life now is sweet, and my joy is complete. You want to put your hands together and say, my joy is complete, for I'm saved.
That was Saved by His power divine. To all my numerates, let's take this time out and count our numbers. Easy song, guys. We're going to get through it. So we're starting out with, I found a friend who is all to me. All right, let me give you that. So we're starting out on the 1, G flat major chord, going to our B diminished 7 on the 7, friend, and right there we're on E flat 6, and we're playing our 6 on our bass. We're going to our A flat dominant 7 on the 2, going to our D flat dominant 7 on the 5, to me. All right. So right there on the 1, we're playing this nice chord, resolving right here on our G flat dominant 7 on the 3. His love is ever true. Ooh. All right, what is that? His love right there on a B major chord on the 4, going to our 6, that's an E flat major chord. Right back to our B major on the 2. We're going to our regular G flat major chord on the 5, going to our A flat dominant 7 on the 2, resolving with our D flat dominant 7. And guys, the next part is really the same chords, right? So we're going, I love to tell how He lifted me and what His grace can do for you, right? Next part is saved by his power divine. All right, let me give you that part. We're on a G flat major on the 1, going to our A flat dominant 7 on the 2, regular D flat major chord on the 5. We're playing this nice turnaround here on the 6. All right, right here on the 6, we're playing an A flat, B flat, D flat, and an E flat. Resolve right here on our 2 flat, and we're playing this E flat dominant 7 chord. Saved to new life sublime. All right, let me give you that. So we're on the 2, regular B major chord, going to our 5. We're playing this nice resolve chord. Then we're going to our G flat major chord on the 1, sublime. We're doing this nice turnaround here. We're doing our B6 chord on our 5, nice turnaround. Resolve with this chord. Life now is sweet and my joy is complete. All right, what is that? So we're on our 1 and we're playing our E6 chord, resolving on the 3, and we're playing our G flat dominant 7 chord. Going to our 4, regular B major chord. I like to hit this nice 6 chord right here. We're just playing an E flat major chord. Going right back to the B major chord on the 2. For I'm saved, saved, saved. All right, what is that? We're on our 5, regular G flat major chord. Going to our 2. That's the A flat dominant 7 chord. Saved, right? That's on our 5, and we're playing a D flat dominant 7 chord. Saved. And that's a regular G flat major chord on the 1. I hope this was able to help you out. Hey guys, sorry to interrupt you. I know things are getting good, but before we continue, come join our growing Numerical Melodies community on Facebook. I'm sharing all the songs I love to hear and play, and I hope you will too. Go check it out. And now, back to our lesson. Awesome lesson. Today's life lesson is more than just shoes. I remember going back to school shopping with my mom one year. We stopped by the shoe store, and I picked out a pair that I thought looked nice and, more importantly, fit within what my mom could afford. As we stood in the aisle, she asked, "Are you sure you want those?" Without hesitation, I said yes. I walked into school on the first day feeling confident, thinking my classmates would appreciate the shoes as much as I did. But instead of compliments, I was met with laughter. One kid pointed and said, "What are those, boats?" I felt crushed. That moment stuck with me, not because of the shoes, but because I learned something deeper. Sometimes what feels right to us won't always be accepted by others. But confidence isn't built on their approval. It's built on knowing your worth, even when others don't see it. The lesson is simple. What you wear, what you carry, or where you come from doesn't define your value. Your character does. Be proud of what you choose when it's done with love, integrity, and purpose. Awesome job, guys. Let's give ourselves a hand. Yes, thank you so much for coming in and learning with me on today. And thank you also, Kevin Dockery, for giving us that awesome song. I really appreciate it. Please request more. This is the time of the video I tell you that we are on the road to, yep, I heard you say it, 1 million. Let's give it up for the 1 million. And if Numerical Melodies got you smiling like it's your little secret, don't be stingy. Spread the joy. Tell somebody about us. I would love it if you could hit that bell, because a video that is new is coming right to you. And right next to that bell is a, subscribe button. Yeah, you know what? They tell me it takes 3 seconds. I believe it does. Let's see if you believe it does. 3, 2, 1. Bam! I see you just hit the subscribe, and you just hit the bell. You all have just made my day. I really appreciate it. And remember, you're not just playing the music, you are the music. This is AK signing off.